making stuff, and Farah's making dark blue.
Hey guys, can I tell you something? When I grow up and I'm an adult, I'm going to do a YouTube channel, and I'm going to tell you about all my YouTube channels, and hopefully my sister doesn't ruin it.
Okay. And my slime is going to be...
Mine is dark blue.
Mine is green.
Daddy, can I need baking soda?
It's right there, sweetie. Just put a very little bit. You don't need it. It only needs a tablespoon. I mean, a teaspoon. Very little. I already put enough. It just needs more activator, I think.
For Kendall.
Oh, yeah.
Is it coming out? Oh, here we go. I think that's okay.
Okay, guys.
Kendall, did you put activator in yours yet?
No.
Okay, you ready to make slime? Here.
I put that.
Squeeze.
Can I activate it on my hands? I think my son's ready. I'll activate it on my hands.
So guys, this is going to be a great dinner channel because we are making slime.
You have to mix it up, Mom. You have to really spin it.
And
Oh, this feels so weird. Cool.
Farah and me are going to be the greatest.
Feels like there's hair in there, but that's
You need way more activator.
Okay.
I need a little more activator.
Okay.
My
Okay.
hands.
Sorry, sweetie. Get out. Sorry.
Hands.
Ew.
This feels very cool.
Yeah. Okay, Mama, I want some fries.
Mommy, can you move the camera to our sign?
Keep spinning.
Mommy, move the camera to my sign. Can you move the camera to my sign?
Move the camera to my sign.
Wow.
Okay,
Guys, look at my slime. It's so
Look at
You're
my
supposed to
slime.
put it in before. You're supposed to put it in before this. You said you
What
didn't
is
want
the
it to turn
secret to
white.
your slime? What makes it? What do you think the secret
Hurry up!
ingredient is?
Hurry up! You want to put it in there?
Oh, sorry. I think I accidentally made it.
Which one do you think makes it? What ingredient do you think makes the best slime?
What do you mean?
Like is there?
Cream.
Is like the
Clear
shaving? I think the
glue.
shaving
She's into
cream.
the clear glue now.
Look at
The
this.
white
Clear
glue
glue.
always makes white in like a light white colors. Like
I like this
shaving
blue
cream.
color. It's pretty.
Yeah, and the air bubbles make it white, but then when the air bubbles come out, it'll be a really dark blue.
Yours looks like some kind of dessert. You know.
Thanks.
Yeah, it looks like mint.
Thanks.
Oops, sorry. Sorry, bad camera
Everyone, we
technique.
love you. Oh,
So is
yeah.
yours
Mommy,
done
why
now?
don't you feel it?
I was
Ew.
the guy. I made the
How
bed.
dare you unappreciate slime?
Is yours done now?
Hey guys, I hope you're having a great Sunday.
Yes, Sundays are the best.
When I grow up, I'm gonna make a YouTube channel, and I'm gonna say you may have seen Free Streets in a Squad, but have you seen this? Well, I don't want to say it. My sister may ruin it.
Yeah, it's called,
Stop it!
You can start your own channel when you're grown up.
Yep, I will.
yeah, guys, and
I'll be playing Roblox. I'll be playing Minecraft. I'll be going around.
We can probably
I'll probably doing when we're playing our new.
We're trying to make a bubble or something and have fun with this slime.
Oh yeah, you should blow up some bubbles.
Yeah.
No, like make a bubble. Like make a bubble and then like what's when you need 3 people and then like
You need 3 people to make a giant bubble, Mom.
No.
So guys.
I do like when you guys do that.
Kendall, you need help?
Yeah.
Here.
I
You
know
want to
we're
do that
trying
ketchup?
to make some more
A little more
activator.
ketchup.
Okay.
If you don't like this, you'll have a whole new life in the
Don't squeeze it
future.
on the table, Omar.
I'll have a whole
Let me help you.
new nice YouTube channel in the future. Kendall wanted to do this.
Okay,
Oh, Daddy's
guys.
stepping in.
Yeah, and guys.
Can anybody guess how old
Wait,
Kendall is?
Don't knock this over, please.
Anybody guess how old Kendall is? She's 5.
Yes. And try guys, who is?
I'm 8.
Yeah. And we love you.
That's some powerful slime making you have going on.
Shaving cream.
Hold on. Wait.
I like Kendall's. It looks like mint.
It does
You
look
said
like
that.
sour
It looks
cream.
like this.
I mean,
Ah, there you
Okay, well, now it's time for you to put it on your
One
hands
more
and use your fingers.
activator.
Here, wait, Kendall. Okay. Give it your hands. All right, mix it up. Squeeze it, try to mix it, yeah.
guys, this
Okay.
is.
Oh, here, look at it. It looks like you didn't get it. It's getting on your hands. Hold on.
your big hand.
You need to get it off your hands, huh? Koi wasn't ready yet. Looks like you got your hands in there a little too prematurely.
I can't believe I'm finally back home.
You're finally
Yeah, it
back
took
in.
us a while. We were gone for a while.
Wait. Go, can you go wash your hands for me? Go wash your hands real quick.
Okay, guys, I'll be right back.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna pause the video for a minute.
Pause the
Ooh.
video.
Mama, but you have to put those stuff together, okay, Mom?
Okay.
Yours is
Okay.
hot.
What'd you guys do? You
Let's
switch?
make a bubble. Let's make a bubble.
If you don't like this, the whole future will be better. Mine is.
Let's make a bubble.
Kenna won't be able to do that.
Okay. Guys, I'm making a pancake. I'm making a pancake.
Let's roll on a ball.
Yeah. Let's repeat that my back. Please.
Okay, fine. You can have this one.
Wait.
That's a little too hard.
Okay, guys, this is very much greatest unit channel.
Okay, no, it's not the most greatest YouTube channel.
But you like it.
Not that much. I only did it because you're my sister. I kind of like it, but they're too short.
Whoa, that's pretty cool, Kendall.
I know, guys.
After this, we're gonna make a YouTube channel of how my YouTube channel is gonna be about.
I like this scarf.
Your scarf?
Nuki scarf. And I'm gonna be about myself when I grow up.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm on all myself, but I let Farah come in.
No.
Yeah, guys, this is this is a really good song. This is
I'm
not
gonna have a
food.
cat
Not food.
Yes, not
in the
food.
future when I'm like 23 or something.
Hey, Mama, I cut it a piece. I'm just kidding. Hey, guys, I'm going to.
Time to switch back, Kendall.
Why?
I'm not gonna switch back. Don't have to switch. I like yours, you know.
Wait, that was yours.
Which one's better? Ready? Green is this and free is this. And blue is this. 3, 2, 1, go.
Wait, which one is blue?
Blue is free.
So if you like 3 best, you do 3. If you like green best, you do 2.
Yeah, I like 2.
I'm going to try this.
Can do you like green or do you like free or 2?
2.
Then you voted your sign.
Actually, I like 3. Whoa!
This has been a good sign to make a giant bubble.
Farah, look.
What?
Cool.
You guys want to make a giant bubble?
Yeah,
Bubble.
Yeah,
Put it
okay.
on the ground. Do it on the table because it gets all like hair and curls in it.
Okay, fine, Daddy. Can I have a straw?
Please, I have a straw. Let's make a
Yes,
giant squidward head.
Nope.
Guys, every
Straw's a
time.
bad bubble.
Ooh, thanks.
Wow. Oh, those are those straws from Grandma.
Here they work perfect fine.
Ah!
Here, hold it here, honey.
Yeah, hold it at the bottom so the air doesn't pop
Yeah,
out.
hold it around there, yeah.
You know how to do it. Can't pop out, too.
I forgot to.
Oh,
Oh.
whoa, Farah.
Wow, that was like a giant.
Squidward head! Ah.
Okay, guys.
Try to flatten it a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah,
now
try to
I-
flatten it. And then put the hole there, and then try to go around.
I wonder if
it.
we're ever gonna have a YouTube channel.
Yeah,
This
we.
is a YouTube channel.
I wonder if we're ever. I wonder if our YouTube channel will ever have anybody watching it.
I don't know. Oh, there we go. Whoa, good job, Kendall.
If you really want to see Lucky's scarf, give it this a like. Oh no.
Good job, Kendall.
Oh
Pretty
my
amazing.
God. Now you're gonna say good job to me.
Yeah.
It's Mega Mine.
You have to make a mind.
Like my head.
Wow,
Yeah.
there's Squidward.
No, it's Squidward's lemon girlfriend.
Guys, this is a great YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. I'm gonna stop the video now. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Have a great day.
We'll do Lucky Scarf if you give us a like, and we'll do a YouTube channel called Lucky Scarf, and if you give this a like, we'll have the best YouTube channel in the world when I grow up. I'll be up by myself with cats. I'll have a Lucky Scarf on, and this will be. And if you don't like that, we'll do another YouTube channel called Twisties. Bye, guys.